Audit trails allow you to track changes that were made to a folder or document. Right now we're in a folder. I went to Documents, selected one of my folders, Rooftop Sink, and I have only one document inside that folder. If I want to see who made changes to this folder and who added new files or deleted some of them, this is where I'll be able to see it in the recent activity on the right. The name of the user, when that happened, and what the name of the document was that they either removed or added into the folder. The other thing I can do is I can look at the versions of the document. I can click on View History, and all of the versions of the document will be right here. I can open that specific version and go to it. I can also track changes that were made specifically to the document and see an audit trail that shows me specific parts of the document that were edited. Currently, in the tracked changes on the left, I have 0 changes made. Let's try to make some changes. Let's delete a whole section. As you see here on the left, it will show you the username and what the user did, which in our case was deleting a whole section, at what time and what date that happened as well. If you scroll lower and add something, like go, you will also see who did that, but the action in this case was inserted because I added something into the document. If you want to save time and not go and look through all those changes, just click on those changes and it'll bring you straight to that part of the document where the change occurred.